So this is the exit ticket for plot and types of characters after you've completed your fiction notes on slide 4 and on pages 1 and 2. So do not take this exit ticket until that you have finished on your fiction notes on pages 1 and 2 to help you answer the questions on this quiz. So when you get to the exit ticket, you will hit begin or start quiz, and then it's going to take you to a worksheet that is a Wiser Me worksheet. Okay. It's also going to have a plot diagram, and you're going to use this plot diagram or plot development chart that I have given you. I have given you the plot chart, and so you can see that you have these 6 different parts of plot, and you also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vocabulary words because you must know what the word plot means. I've done the first one for you. All you're going to do is drag and match. Now, if you're having problems looking and seeing everything on one screen and you can't zoom in or out, okay, you're going to go to the snowman at the top right-hand corner and click on it and scroll down until you see zoom, and you will see a number that has a percent. You can either hit the plus sign to zoom in or hit the minus sign to zoom out, so that way you're able to see it on a larger scale and see it all at the same time to drag and match. A lot of students are not doing well on this because they're just guessing and getting frustrated. So I've given you plot. Plot means all the events that are happening in a story. I know that's the answer because when I look at this picture, it gives me a definition, and I find the definition that best matches what are in one of these boxes. Now the next one's exposition. I'm going to scroll up and see what exposition says and see where it's at on this chart. It's at the beginning, okay, not at the end. So then you're going to find which box has the best definition for exposition. When I see on the plot development chart, it's at the beginning, has characters, has setting, and background information. Once you are done matching, you'll scroll down and look at the characters that we have talked about on page 1 and 2 in your fiction notes. So we've talked about the protagonist, the antagonist, and the supporting character. These definitions will not match exactly in your notes because you need to see how it's defined in different ways. So you're going to go look at your notes and what is a protagonist? Is it the character that's needed in the story, but is not who the story revolves around? Is this the main character, or is it opposing the main character? So use your notes and use what you've learned in class to match these. After you are done, you're going to type in your answer to this question. Who was your favorite character from Colors of Evil? If you did page 1 and 2 in your fiction notes, Colors of Evil, the video is on page 2. So you should have watched that. If you have not watched this yet, you need to go back to your fiction notes, go to page 2, and watch the Colors of Evil. You are going to use a sentence starter and then tell me why that character is your favorite character, explaining it to me. So for example, Courtney was my favorite character because she is a funny person and I liked how nice she was. Courtney is not in the Colors of Evil, is just an example. So you will pick one of those 3 characters from Colors of Evil and then tell me that they're your favorite and tell me why they're your favorite. Once you have done all 3 parts, plot matching, character matching, and the short answer, you're going to hit hand in work. And when you hit hand in work, it goes blurry. You scroll up until you find would you like to submit your solution, and then hit submit. Once you hit submit, it comes to me and I can see your grade. And then at the bottom of the page for the Canvas page, we'll hit submit quiz. So that way you show yourself that you have completed it.